Oh, it's a jungle out here on this Green Thumb Thursday. As you can see, my Green Thumb boyfriend is back, Justin Rohner. We're going to be talking about the top 10 secrets and tips that you need to know to get that garden ready for fall. I can't believe we're already talking about fall.
We're talking about fall. I mean,
know.
The best gardeners know that fall is absolutely the best time to be planting things here in Arizona, because what you do now and over the next 2 months will actually affect everything all the way through next summer.
Oh, okay,
So
so you really got to jump start it right
Yes.
now. This is the perfect time.
So
well, the weather's been fantastic, so we can't complain. So what are we going to be doing first? Because you got a lot of stuff that we need to cover right now.
A lot to cover because there's a lot to do in this time and season. Number one is make sure you get the right varieties for our area here in Phoenix. And there's a nice calendar that we've created for you. It's a year-round calendar for planting guide. You can go to greenthumbthursday.com.
And that's brand new.
That's brand new.
Congratulations on that.
greenthumbthursday.com. Go get this. You can get access to this. We'll give you a free account that'll give you access to a lot of the stuff that we're sharing with you today. But number one, get the right varieties for the right time. And so you got the whole list of all your normal annuals. Number two is get the right seeds. Get seeds that are grown from around here. And so there's varieties that actually, like Terrier Seeds, the Native Seed Search, Sweet Garden Organics. These guys actually grow the seeds right here in Arizona.
So they know it's conducive to the soil that we have in our own backyard.
Exactly, and that's very, very important.
Yes.
So it's going to be acclimated to the climate. You're not going to end up with some seed from Florida that's not going to actually transplant here very well.
Yeah, you don't want that. You don't want that. And then you also have to remember, it's all about the soil.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Number three, it's time to get this big old nasty thing out and start digging down. Fluff up that soil, get some more air in there for the roots to be moving. And as you dig down, you want to get at least 18 inches down for all your normal stuff. Another thing is when you're fertilizing, this is number four, fertilize with stuff that's really high in phosphorus. So you got the NPKs, there's 3 numbers on the bags. It's the middle number that you want to be the highest in the fall, because that's going to help produce a lot more root growth. It's going to produce flowers. It's going to produce all the cool stuff that you need. Another thing, at least an inch of good mulch on top. This is a good worm compost.
All about the mulch.
The mulch. You're going to need to have that mulch stuff. Make sure it's in there well. And make sure that you're adding that little layer on the top. 1 to 3 inches is good.
And if people are a little bit concerned too about how to water and all that, you can get all that information on the website as well. Yeah.
greenthumbthursday.com, that's the place to go. Number 6, plan for your fruit trees. So we got a year-round fruit tree calendar, so you can have year-round fruit.
This is a fruit tree
if you get the right variety in the right spot. So this is a good citrus tree right here. That's number 6. Citrus. Fall is the time to be planting your citrus. They do best when planted in September and October. And then they'll actually produce for you even by the next year.
So citrus in September and October.
That's
and this is going to come around for the next year, so you're actually going to have the fruit to eat.
Correct.
Oh, I love that. This is cool.
Number 8 is all about the tropicals. So we got bananas, pineapples, guavas, mangoes. Those are all things that you can be planting right now. Really good things to be doing, especially in the fall. Early fall is best. September is my favorite month for doing that. Number 9 is planting all your permanent plants in the right spot, which means microclimates. You can make a huge difference. Your banana will die in one part of your yard. It's going to thrive in the other part of the yard. Know what your microclimates are. Every yard has at least 6. We'll give you access to that chart as well as a nice little breakdown for where those things are located. And number 10, plant healthy starts. If you're getting started down, nice healthy starts. That's the way to go.
I love it. See, Justin Rohner, he comes on. This is Green Thumb Thursday. Vital information, especially if you don't have a green thumb, but you want to get it green. He also offers classes. So if you want more information, agriscaping.com is the website, and then you have the new website, greenthumbthursday.com. You can get all of this stuff that he just talked about right now.